Hi, I'm Eric Ackerson, Senior Product Marketing and Brand Manager for Acer. Today, I'm here at Connection to talk to you about our latest product, the ConceptD 7. Unboxing ConceptD is as simple as it is to get up and running. With minimal, yet deliberate packaging, it keeps your system in pristine condition until you take it out of the box, plug it in, and you're on your way to full utilization. Let's go ahead and unbox ConceptD. One of the first things you'll notice after taking ConceptD 7 out of the box is the beautiful finish. This is an all aluminum chassis, and it's made with a special coating called micro-arc oxidation. What that means is, when we build the system, we take a powder and put it across the aluminum, and then electrify it, creating a ceramic-like finish that makes it impervious to fingerprints and reduces scratches. Along the sides, you're going to see a bevy of ports to allow you all the access you need to external devices, connecting to networks, and being productive. Once it's out of the box, you take ConceptD 7 through something called UBI, out-of-box experience. This is a streamlined set of steps to get the system up and running in a matter of minutes. You connect to the network, you set up Windows with updates, set up a user, and you're good to go. You're unleashing all the power of the ConceptD 7 laptop. This is truly a system that rivals anything in the class. We designed ConceptD to let creators be creators. For more information on ConceptD 7, visit connection.com/Acer.